Hi guys and gals, it's your friendly neighborhood psychic and spiritual medium, Lana K, here to deliver you a forecast reading for our retrograde season, mid-September to mid-October for Aries, if I haven't said that already. Alright, we're going to begin here with an archetype card to see the energy that you are channeling through this retrograde season. Alright, athlete. Very Aries card. Alright, so dedication to transcending physical limits, including handicaps, development of personal willpower and strength of spirit. Shadow, misuse of athletic ability for selfish ends, false sense of invulnerability and entitlement. All right, so let's move on to the Light Sierra's Tarot to get more information about this energy of the athlete. All right, these popped up. So we have the Sun, Three of Cups in reverse, and Knight of Pentacles. So something is coming to light that you are basking in, but community is not there for you right now. Sorry. Trying to help you get this right. All right. Okay. So something is bringing light into your life, enlightenment, seeing the clear skies, seeing the light side of life, trying to be optimistic. You know, you have been sad for a little bit is what I pick up with the Three of Cups in reverse energy, missing people, feeling lonely and isolated. But you are continuing to move forward. You're concentrating on one step at a time. You're moving slowly but surely, okay? But you're moving in slow and steady pace. And you are moving forward very strategically, even if you feel isolated and alone. All right, let's get some clarification on the Sun. Let's see what Spirit wants you to know for your highest and best good. All right, Spirit, what about this Sun? What are we enlightening? How are we enlightening ourselves? For the Aries collective. All right, Nine of Cups. Wishes. This is there is something that you want to create for yourself, okay? And I feel like this right here, this wish, you know, this manifesting something, is causing you to withdraw from people, you know. So you know, like if you have a wish, you don't want to tell anybody, you know, or it won't come true. But there is something that you desire from the depths of your being. All right. Spirit, give me information about the Three of Cups. Knight of Swords. Okay. In reverse. So, there's no action being taken on this wish, you know, which is making you feel lonely. And, you know, you're not acting on what you want. Okay, so you just want it to be without the process. This is the entitlement shadow coming from the athlete energy. So because the Nine of Cups is about making a wish, but sometimes the Knight of Cups can represent laziness and procrastination and, you know, patience is not an Aries strong suit, and going through that process is very, like it really tests your limits, because when you want something, you want it now, and it's not coming into fruition the way that you want to. Okay, so there is some type of frustration in this, what you're trying to create for yourself, this happiness, this joy, this next level stuff, you know. So, Spirit, information on the Knight of Pentacles. What are we slowly but surely walking towards for Aries? All right, Temperance, balance, healing. Like you're walking towards balancing this out. So you have the desire, the light, the strength to bring this into fruition, okay? But you lack feeling connected to it, and taking the appropriate action, like the process to get it done, okay? But after that time of frustration, you will move slowly in a more structural way, okay? And this will bring, you will understand how to manifest much more easily and create balance in your life, and understand the laws of the other elements. You're fire, you're a doer, you are first, the first of the zodiac. So you're a pioneer, and this is what you want has not been done before, not the way that you would do it. And so you don't know how to maneuver this pioneering energy and to do this that will bring you joy. But it's there, it's within you, and it's a wish, And how do you grant this wish? How do you bring it into reality? It will with patience, loyalty, and moving through it slowly, because apparently you must learn patience, okay? Because temperance is about patience, about seeing something grow, start as a seed, and develop into a beautiful flower or a tree, that can take root and last hundreds of years, okay, through generations. So this is what you're trying to manifest, something of longevity, okay? And it takes time. And patience is going to be that in which you must learn the process of time and how it moves and unfolds, okay? So this is all about divine timing and trusting divine timing to take you where you need to be when you need to be there. Okay. So, Spirit would like me to pull you out a quantum oracle. So let's see what we have to say about this. All right, Spirit, what would you like Aries to know for the retrograde season, mid-September, mid-October? Almost, but not quite. So, all right. I feel like it's that one. Consciousness of lack. Okay, so this would be the answer of why you are not being able to manifest correctly, because there is a lack of consciousness of lack, meaning that you feel like you don't have what it takes to have this wish, this enlightened, passion, life-giving wish. You don't have enough to get it done. Like you are trying to different ways to bring this into fruition, and you're getting frustrated because you feel like you don't have enough to get it started. You have everything that you need, and once you realize that, you will start taking the steps towards the right path to bring this into balance and into fruition. Okay? This is the universe in motion, trying to show you that you have to get past this lack of consciousness, this lack of not having enough. You have everything you need within you. Okay? You are abundant. Okay? Unlock it. And choose it. Choose to be abundant, Aries. And you can build this life purpose that you have that is frustrating you and causing you to be depressed, and causing you not to take action. All right? I believe in you. I believe in you, in your pioneering spirit. Go and transcend those limits, okay? I know it will take responsibility. You may get bored with the process, and it will take time to grow with the Seven of Pentacles, okay? But the journey starts now, okay, with the Fool. So what better way to end a beautiful reading and this soul lesson that you are learning during this time. And I will see you next month. Thank you so much, Aries.